Alright guys, welcome back to the channel. If you are actually viewing this, I know I haven't been posting a lot. And not gonna lie that I haven't been playing much of a game, although I have Valhalla installed, but I have never really tried to go record a Valhalla game, and not really have tried any Valhalla game at all right now. So today I'm gonna bring you, hang on a minute, this is like not staying still there. Yeah, it's gonna break anytime soon, this clock. I'm gonna change one, man. Anyway, today I'm gonna bring you an unboxing video. It's actually a Logitech mouse. Let me bring this out first. This is the MX Master 2S from Logitech. So this is not exactly the newest technology that we have today from Logitech. The latest one is actually the MX Master 3, if I'm not wrong. So I get this because previously I already have this mouse, but I dropped it and it broke. Man, so I'm replacing it. I'm getting the same one, the same color. This is a gray. There's a silver one and there's a gold color one. The gold color one is actually all the same. It's just that over here is actually gold finish. It's not the real gold, but it's golden in color. All right. So that's the 3 variation for this MX Master 2S. So like I say, I have one already. It's just that I dropped it and I broke it, so I'm getting another one to replace it. And I decided that I'm gonna get the same one because it's cheaper right now. So without further ado, let's do the unboxing. All right. So to unbox this, you just have to. Oh yeah, before that, this is how the packaging looks like. What is so good about this mouse is that if you have a Mac and a PC, you can actually copy something on any of the PC and you can move to another computer and just paste it on it. So that is why it's so good. So I have a Mac and a PC, and I can just copy files from my Mac to my PC or vice versa. So I don't need to go through email and thumb drive or anything. Just copy and you just paste. But of course, you need to be using the Logitech options, one of the software that you have to install in order to use this function. All right. So now, without further ado, let's do the unboxing. Right. So once you unbox, the first thing that you're gonna get here is this receiver. Okay, so I think a lot of you are going to be very familiar with this. This is just the receiver, the uni receiver that is now included in all the Logitech devices. Slick and nice, isn't it? So what they essentially want you to do is, if you're not going to use a Bluetooth to pair your mouse, plug this in and forget about it. You don't have to plug it out anymore. Yeah, it's really small and nice. Yeah, just like a regular thumb drive. Right? So let me put this now, and let's take a look at what they have inside. All right, they have this cable, USB to micro USB plug, I guess. Yeah, this is for charging the mouse, and they have the mouse wrapped nicely inside this. I'll unbox this later. I'll unwrap this later. And yeah, some paperwork. That is all. So let's come to this. And here is the main thing, the mouse. At the side, and you have actually a button over here. I don't know if you can hear it, but there's a click. Yeah, there's a button over here, and these are actually LED indicators of your battery. And on the underside, you have this. So what you do is that you can actually go to this website, logitech.com/options, and download the software. that is where you need this software to actually copy and paste your files via your Mac or your PC. Okay, so you can actually pair up to 3 devices, and to pair you just have to hold the button for 3 seconds. You can actually use the Uni receiver that they give you or Bluetooth. The Uni receiver is just this, the one that you got it right out of the box. Okay, and you just need to peel this thing backwards. And that's it. Right guys, so this is for the unboxing of the mouse. These are just some paperwork that I will just move it away. So when you on this, you're gonna see that it's flashing because I have not paired it to anything. So once you press, number 2 is going to be flashing as well because it's not being paired to anything as well. Number 3 is also going to be flashing as well because you're not paired to anything. Alright, so this is for the unboxing video of this mouse. I'm not going to show you how to pair the mouse up because the thing is it's actually quite intuitive. You just need to switch to on, and after that you just need to go to your Bluetooth and search for the device, and that will be all. Alright, so why I get this mouse is because I am actually using a Mac plus a PC. So I have 2 computers running at the same time, and it's actually a hassle to just plug in the thumb drive in and out. So if you have a setup like mine whereby you have a PC and a Mac running side by side, I recommend that you get this. Maybe not this one because this is like, you know, the Logitech MX Master 2S. There's a MX Master 3 which is newer than this and looks more comfortable to hold as well. So I would recommend you getting the MX Master series for that because they provide you with very, very good ergonomics and also productivity. Okay, so this is all I have for you today for this unboxing video. I hope you enjoyed the video, and for more unboxing content, please subscribe and like the channel. Alright, so a later update on my gameplays. I haven't been upload anything about game for a while because there isn't any game that I'm really playing right now. So my PS5 is just like laying there collecting dust because there's really not much game that I'm into right now. I heard there's Resident Evil 8 Village. Yeah, so there's actually Resident Evil 8 that came out. I'm not so keen on playing that. I have never been a fan of playing horror games, so I'm gonna leave that out. But then again, I'm thinking of getting Final Fantasy 7 Integrate. Yeah, I hope it comes out soon, and I heard there's a new Final Fantasy game that is coming out as well, so stay tuned for that. I'm gonna upload all that and once it's out. Alright, so hope to see you guys soon. Stay safe out there, and see you guys in the next video.